Do you know that mutual fund is one investment option that you should not sleep on in 2025? If you don't know where to start with mutual fund. Hello, welcome to the channel. Let's talk finance. My name is Helen. You're welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be diving into the world of mutual fund, how to start, how to invest. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, like and share. Let's dive right into it. Imagine a group of people pooling their money to invest in a variety of assets like stocks and bonds. That is essentially what mutual fund is. It's a collective investment managed by professionals. This approach offers diversity and professional management, making it a most popular choice for many investors. If you're not doing mutual fund, you're missing out. You may be wondering why you should invest in mutual fund. First, diversification. By investing in mutual fund, you are investing across various assets, not just picking individual stocks on your own. There are several types of mutual fund to suit your different investment goals. One, we have the equity fund. This one is primarily investing on stocks aiming for growth. Two, bond funds. This focus on fixed income security providing regular income. Number three, which is my favorite, balance funds. This is one that combines stocks and bonds for a mix of growth and income. The fourth one is index fund. This specifically track index offering bond market exposure. We also have the fifth one as money market fund. This invests in short-term debt security. Now, how do you start to invest in mutual funds? Are you ready to get started? Here is a simple way and a roadmap on how to start with mutual fund. One, set your investment goal. Determine what you're investing for, whether you're investing for education or any other goal. Two, assess your risk tolerance. You need to know how much risk you're willing to take. Number three, choose the right types of mutual fund. Ensure it aligns with your choice and your goals and your risk tolerance. Number four, select a reputable fund companies or broker. I personally use a platform called Optimums, which is really good. You can invest with Optimums. You can start with a little amount and you keep adding to it. Remember, it is a journey. Enjoy the process. One important thing to note with mutual fund is the fees. You need to be mindful of fees like expense ratio and the sales charge, as this can impact your returns. Also review the fund's historical performance. Keep in mind that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. You also need to be informed with the risks involved in mutual fund. While mutual fund offers diversification, they do not do without risk. They are not without risk. Market fluctuation, macroeconomic factor, interest rate changes, credit risk can affect your investment value. So it is crucial to understand these risks before investing. Listen, mutual fund can be a powerful tool in your investment portfolio. It offers diversification and there's professional management. You don't need to do anything. You just need to invest and chill. Remember to ensure that it aligns with your financial goal and your risk tolerance. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do drop a comment. Thank you for watching and happy investing.